The DVD suggests that you should be able to separate these halves and take these bolts out, but that they can be difficult. So I bought this Impacta JIS Phillips head for this purpose, but so far this has not broken those loose. I've tried it repeatedly and I just wanted to demonstrate that there. So what I'm going to do is put on my impact wrench here. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. That did it. Got that free, but you can see again, sounds like it should have come apart easily, but doesn't. He also suggested, DVD also suggests putting vice grips on this, but boy, I wouldn't personally want to try that. I can use my big screwdriver to get that out. The top two came out just as hard as that. Took repeated hard strikes with the impact driver. Hopefully the remaining two won't be so difficult.